New developments this morning in the race for a vaccine for COVID-19. Astrazeneca is launching a late-stage trial of its vaccine candidate. It plans to enroll some 30,000 adults here in the U.S. Our Anjalee Khemlani is with us now for this. So Anjalee, tell us what is the significance of what's happening here?
Thanks, Alexa. So the significance is that AstraZeneca is now in the race in the U.S. at the least with its vaccine candidate. We know that we already have Moderna and Pfizer that have already started their phase 3 trials, and that includes enrolling 30,000. That seems to be the number that many of them are looking at, with the exception of Johnson & Johnson, which has already stated that it's going to be looking at a 60,000 participant trial. So AstraZeneca makes it the third one to enter right now. We know that the Operation Warp Speed has already said earlier, I believe it was last week, that they expect at least 4 to be in phase 3 trials by this month. So we're definitely on track for that right now.
And Anjalee, might we see something arrive to market before Election Day?
Okay, so arrive to market that's an interesting question. Whether or not something will be fully approved is very unlikely, according to many health experts. However, we do know, as was discussed yesterday, Commissioner Stephen Hahn of the FDA did say that there could be an emergency use authorization, and so there have been some discussions about whether or not that will actually take place, and what the implications are for that, whether or not those would be sort of restricted use in the market at that point. But the likelihood of something being fully approved, going through regulatory review, is very slim before Election Day. By the end of the year, though, is what many are looking at.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.